In this short tutorial, you will learn how to turn on anonymous browsing on Reddit. By enabling this feature, you can browse Reddit privately while ensuring that your browsing and search history won't be saved. This is particularly useful if you want to keep your online activities confidential or if you're using a shared device where privacy is a concern. To get started, open up the Reddit app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, you'll see your username over here. Tap on the username. What you want to do next is simply tap and select the anonymous browsing option over here. And now you've successfully enabled anonymous browsing mode on the Reddit app. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.